Today's the day. Woo! Into the shop. The reconstruction has begun.
Yes, that's right. It will be done.
It will be.
It will be done.
We got a couple weeks to go, but today's the first day in the shop and the boys are ready for us, so here we go.
I need a change. I need for something to happen to me without a warning. Walking the same steps every morning. I see all the same faces, but I don't even know them. I wanna change now, following the same trace. I'm stuck in a strange place, and I need a change now.
Which cabinets to build first. I mean, I'll tell y'all what I want done, and then y'all choose where to start. Yeah, baby.
Every weekday feels like the same to me. Nothing that takes me places where I've not been. Nothing that makes me see things that I've not seen. I wanna change now, following the same trace. I'm stuck in a strange place. I need a change now.
Some big holes in there.
Yeah, there is. But I can already see my drawers in there. I'm so excited.
In a strange place, and I need a change now. I wanna change now, following the same trace. I'm stuck in a strange place, and I need a change now. I wanna change now, following the same trace. I'm stuck in a strange place.
Spring's here.
Can we talk about the weather right now? It's 81 degrees, and I don't even mind it being windy because it's warm.
It is nice, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Spring's here.
Yay! Finally.
Yeah, we're supposed to get some rain this weekend, but it is what it is.
That's all right. That's okay.
Rig's in the shop.
Woohoo!
So they took it in for a few days, got started on it. Slade had some appointments that were already scheduled, long-term scheduled, and
Yeah.
that he had to get to, so they had to pull it out. And they parked it out here next to us so that we could kind of go through it and check it over and stuff. And
Well, and it gave you time to look inside and start the solar prep.
yeah, I'm starting on the solar prep. I was able to get in there, and I got the inverter wired, or the inverter mounted. I got the and wired up.
Yeah.
I got the solar controller mounted. I got yeah, I got a couple of bus bars put in, and yeah, it's starting to come together on the solar. We're waiting on some more batteries. I just contacted a local welder here, and he's going to build me a battery rack for the front.
Check.
Yep. So slow progress, but progress.
Yes. Allergies are really bad right now. There's
Yep.
something flying in the air, and he's just plugged.
Yep. My throat's all scratchy.
Yeah.
So anyway, the guys have got the rig in the shop. They're building cabinets.
They're getting ready to put my stovetop.
Yep, new countertop
cooktop.
with your cooktop. They pulled the range out,
Yep.
and they've got to build that set of drawers down below where the range was, and then they've got to put a new countertop in, and they're going to put your new drop-in cooktop on.
I am so excited for that.
And then we're waiting on the island new countertop so that we can pull that and pull the sink and put your new farm sink
Put
in.
my new farm sink in.
So that's in the process.
Yep.
We're waiting on the refrigerator, but they've already started to build the cabinets around the fridge.
Yeah. Our coffee bar.
Coffee bar is taking shape. They already got your appliance cabinet already done.
Oh man, if the coffee bar is as awesome as that, I am just like over the moon.
Yeah.
It fits all of my small appliances in that one little space.
So let's talk. We've had some questions, some comments from some of you about why didn't we have the factory do these changes? Well, we asked them to, and Alicia, as we've said before, Alicia here at Rolling Retreats, she has a vision. She's got an awesome vision. She can walk into a space and just kind of place everything, and that's kind of what she did with the MX450. And she said, I think we need to do this, and da-da-da-da-da-da. And so we sat down and we made some minor changes with her, and she submitted those changes to the factory. And probably the biggest thing was the factory could delete windows and add windows for us. But the biggest thing that they said they could not do was to move the refrigerator from the off-door slide up to the bulkhead. They considered that a floor plan change, and because it was a floor plan change, that would have required an engineer's approval to do it. And with COVID going on, they didn't want to go down that road. So she said, okay, well, we can do it here at the dealership. We can take care of those items. And so that's what we're doing. We have all of the confidence in the world in these guys.
Oh yeah,
I mean, we've already seen their work, and it's incredible.
it is. I've seen them build something and it's incredible.
Yeah. So once we get it all complete, then she's going to invite some folks from DRV here to see the final completed project. And what we're all hoping is that DRV will like the changes well enough that they will redesign or make a new floor plan out of the MX450, similar to what we're putting in. And that's her goal. She would like to see DRV put together a floor plan similar to what we're building here.
It's so much more open and airy and bright. It's just a good idea.
Yeah. So that's the plan. That's why the factory would not take care of some of these issues. That's why we're here for a couple of weeks. So not only are they building cabinets and installing appliances and that sort of thing, but they also have to go through the PDI process while it's here. That in itself, here at this dealership, and this is something that not all dealerships do, and this is why we say a dealer is so important.
Yep.
The PDI process, the rig goes through a PDI at the factory, but when it comes to the dealership, this particular dealer has a 16-page PDI process that they go through before it's even delivered to the customer.
And it takes 4 to 5 days for them to go through it.
It does. It does. They go through everything and make sure everything is correct. And if it's not, they fix it and move on.
Yeah. That's why it's so important to check out dealers and see what they do.
Right.
And to also have your voice. If you
Right.
have a concern or anything, get it done then.
Yeah. Yeah, because we did not purchase our 38 RSSA from Rolling Retreats. We purchased it from another dealer, and quite honestly, we knew more about the coach than our dealer did.
Yeah, it was pretty sad.
It was. But we'll go through that in a whole nother video. While we're here, guess who came to visit?
The Joneses.
Our
BFFs.
Our good friends Aaron and Tina and Maggie showed up, and while we were here, spent some time with us. Well, it's another sad day.
I know. I don't want them to leave.
Our friends are leaving again. They
gotta go.
They come see us, and then they leave.
I know, they tease
Just
us.
a taste of Jones and the Travel.
You want more?
We'll be back.
Yeah.
If you want more videos like this, subscribe.
Yeah, we're shameless punch.
Subscribe to both.
Yeah.
It's a requirement.
Yeah.
All right. But we are making plans for the summer. Stick around. We're going to have some fun, aren't we?
And we'll be back on YouTube next week.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, probably before you see this, but we'll be back, we promise.
But we're making some plans.
That's right.
We are.
2022. Is it 2022 already?
No, it's 2020.
Sorry, 2021. Watch out. We don't even know what year it is, so
It's
who
been a
knows
year.
what could happen.
It's been a year already, right, guys?
Yeah.
It's only March.
Yeah, it really
All right.
is.
It's been fun,
Thank
guys.
you guys.
You guys.
Love you guys.
So much.
Love you
We'll
guys.
see you very soon.
Oh, yeah.
We were so blessed to have them come by and say hello, and got to spend a day with them, and went out to dinner with them with Alicia. We just had a great time.
Oh, yeah. I always need the Joneses
Yep.
fix.
We do. So anyway, we saw the Joneses while they were here, and that was great. That killed some time for us. And now we're just waiting on some cabinetry to be done, some appliances to be installed,
That's right.
and the overall process.
That's right.
All right, we are going to wrap this one up from beautiful, almost summer-like weather in Elk City, Oklahoma.
I know. It all starts with an idea.
We'll talk to you guys next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.